What if you're watching these videos and they're just not cutting it, or you're confused, or there's something that's happening in Studio that you can't figure out? You should use the help menu. So down here in the bottom right, there's a little question mark. It'll actually link directly to the Help Center. You can even just go there and see all of the great articles that we have written about Studio already. The other thing I wanted to show you was the feedback form. So if anything happens for you while you're using Studio, or if suddenly you have an idea about a feature that would help unlock some design you're trying to make, let us know. Tell us you have a feature request. We will get that. I will get that. I will see it. And then our CS team will also see it, and you'll be able to get help directly that way. Let us know.